Ready to finally dive into the world of Tron and grab some TRX using Trust Wallet? Let's get you started. First, if you don't already see Tron or TRX on your main Trust Wallet screen, we need to enable it. Tap on the icon in the top right corner that looks like the sliders or filter controls. This will bring you to a screen where you can search for different cryptocurrencies. Type Tron or TRX into the search bar. You should see Tron, usually listed as TRX. Notice the toggle switch next to it is probably off. Simply tap on the toggle switch to turn it on. This adds Tron to your Trust Wallet's main display. Now, go back to your Trust Wallet's main screen. You should now see TRX listed among your other cryptocurrencies. Tap on TRX. You'll now be on the Tron details page. To buy Tron, tap the buy button. You will be presented with a list of third-party providers. These are services that allow you to purchase cryptocurrency using fiat currency, like USD or EUR. Choose the provider that you prefer, considering factors like fees and availability in your region. For this example, we will select MoonPay. You'll now be taken to the chosen provider's interface. Here, you'll enter the amount of TRX you want to buy, or the amount of fiat currency you want to spend. Select your currency, and you'll see the approximate amount of TRX you'll receive. Note that network fees and provider fees will apply. Next, enter your payment information, typically your credit card details and billing address. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Carefully review the transaction details on the confirmation screen. Double-check the amount of TRX you're buying, the total cost, and the fees being charged. If everything looks correct, tap the Confirm or Buy Now button to complete the purchase. The transaction will now be processed. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the transaction is complete, your Trust Wallet balance will be updated with the newly purchased TRX. And that's it. You have successfully purchased Tron using Trust Wallet.